Alright guys, back again. I've got Paul here. He's going to do 2 boxes of 2010 Bowman Chrome Baseball live here on Blowout TV. Alright Paul, good luck buddy. Let's see what we got. Alright, may the color be with you. Who are we looking for here, Paul?
Sano.
Will Strasburg?
Shelby Miller.
Shelby Miller's a good one.
Shelby Miller is what I'm feeling.
Scooter Gennett. Good old Scooter Gennett. Austin Jackson rookie. And our autograph is Jan Martinez. Base version. And you got a reflection of me there. Got some blue, and it is a rookie of Lance Zadowski. Numbered 32 of 150. Refractor of Paul Mahone. You got a checklist. And Topps 100 Simon Castro. Numbered to 499. Michael Brantley refractor rookie. Francisco Lindor, USA. Refractor of Josh Satin. That one is numbered 364 of 500. Like Swihart. Jordan Pacheco. Willen Rosario. 2 packs left. Wade Davis rookie and a Wade Davis refractor back to back. And our last pack, box 1 is... Ooh, very nice. USA autograph Francisco Lindor.
Sweet.
That's a sick hit right there. And a Darren Ruff chrome. Alright, box 2. Very solid first box. That is a tremendous hit. These are very tough. Alright, box number 2. Start off with a Jason Hayward rookie. And autograph right off the bat of Corbin Joseph. Refractor of Martin Prado. Desmond Jennings, Topps 100, number to 999. Dylan Maples, USA. John Eli, rookie. JD Martinez, chrome. Drew Storen, rookie. Will Myers. Vladimir Guerrero, refractor, and a Chris Archer chrome. Cesar Valdez, refractor rookie. Jose Altuve. Steven Drew refractor. There's Miguel Sano. Refractor of Nicholas Hernandez. That one is 352 of 500. And we got some blue coming up. It is a Marcus Littlewood under 16 USA blue refractor. Numbered 148 of 150. And finish up the second box with base. All right, Paul, very nice 2-box break. Appreciate it, and I will get it right out to you. Later, buddy.